Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best floating desks that are available on the market for their true quality. Through extensive research and testing, I've put together a list of options that will meet the needs of different types of buyers. So whether it's price, performance, or its particular use, we've got you covered. For more information on the products, I've included links in the description box down below, which are updated for the best prices. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now, let's get started. Starting at number 5, we have the Prepac Modern Floating Desk. This elegant, rustic, wall-mounted floating desk can easily be mounted at any height using the included hardware. It has brass finish knobs with metal drawers that glide in and out like butter. You can store anything up to 5 pounds in the drawer, such as notebooks and snacks, and up to 35 pounds on top of the desk. There's enough work surface area to fit a picture frame, printer, and maybe some extra pencils to have handy. Moving on. At number 4, we have the Prepac Floating Desk. This beautiful wall-mounted desk comes in 3 different neutral colors: blue, brown, or white. It's described by many buyers as being the perfect floating desk for smaller rooms. Yet it can still hold multiple items in the 2 side compartments and on the top shelf, such as books, phone chargers, and files. In addition, this desk has a cable and wire organization feature that gives it a cleaner look on the wall. Although it comes with a convenient hanging rail system, many customers do recommend buying different screws for mounting, since the ones that come with this desk don't work well. At number 3, we have the Pmnianhua Folding Desk. If you're someone who prefers 2-in-1 designed household items, then you may love this multifunctional, solid wood desk with floating shelves. All you have to do is fold in the desk, and it becomes a beautiful display for all of your favorite novels. Plus, this allows you to save space in your home. It even has 3 big storage compartments for all your other home office items. What's even better is that this desk is waterproof, meaning you can confidently sip on your coffee during work. This desk comes with all the mounting hardware you need for installation, but some buyers say this desk is heavy, so be careful when installing it. At number 2, we have the Haotian Floating Desk. Mount this smooth, space-saving floating desk in a bedroom to hang photos, as a place to display your knickknacks, or for your little workspace. Some customers say this desk is a lot smaller in person, but there are a lot of people who seem to love it for its compactness. It comes with multiple storage spaces and even a top shelf to display books and photos. If you're feeling creative, you can even turn your closet space into an office. The desk itself weighs just 29 pounds and holds up to 66 pounds safely. And finally, at number 1, we have the Hans CAO Industrial Wood Floating Desk. If you love industrial, modern-styled furniture, then this little floating desk may be perfect for you. It's made of natural, solid wood with iron pipes, which gives it some style and resilience. It's even painted with environmentally friendly, rust-resistant materials, which makes it easy to clean. You can easily use this desk as a decorative shelf by hanging it high up on a wall or as a desk in the corner of your studio apartment. Thanks for watching, and that's all for now. I hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time.